Hi guys, today we're going to be unboxing Insta360 Go 3S. I bought it from Amazon, so let's just get right to it. Alright, let's remove the plastic covering. Let's see. It opens like an iPhone box. Perfect. So first, when we remove it, I'm guessing this is we get a charging cable, which I'm assuming is USB-C to USB-A type. Yeah, USB-C to USB-A type. Let's see what else in the box. So at the bottom we get our warranty card and quick start guide, then information about the charger, warranty card, some stickers which are nice, and then just a guide how to make your Insta360 Go 3S waterproof. Okay. Just gonna put that on the side here. So let me see if I can open this box up. Okay. So at the top we have this mounting cover, so you can just mount it to the surface and attach your Insta360 to it. Alright. And we get that clip. Right, at the bottom we have our magnet pendant, I'm assuming. Yep, our magnet pendant. Then we have a clip, which you can clip it on your hat, or you can also attach it with your magnetic necklace pendant. Well, actually I think this one is not magnetic, this is just metal. There's magnet in it and the camera itself. Alright, so this is our camera. So let's remove the protective films. What says press and hold the button on removing Go 3S. Alright. So this is our screen, and on the side we have our capture button, our power button, and the front side we have our camera. So you just have to press this button and then you can detach your camera. So this is an action pod, it has buttons in it and it has a battery, but you can also use the camera itself. It says please remove the sticker before use. The back of the camera dissipates heat and will get hot during use. Avoid prolonged direct skin contact. Oh, so it exposes the charging connector. Perfect. I'm gonna remove the stickers here. I'm gonna put it back and power it on. So I'm just gonna end the video here. I will make another video how to set up your Insta360 Go 3S. Alright, if you guys enjoyed my video, please leave a like and comment if you want to see anything else, ask any questions. I will be using it for the next few days, and I will let you know about my feedback, and I will be uploading more videos. Alright, thank you guys. Have a nice day.